Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to shorten a video in DaVinci Resolve 21. So to get started, go ahead and add some files into your media pool. If you haven't already, this is as simple as dragging and dropping them from your Windows Explorer into the media pool panel. Once you have some videos in your media pool, you can go ahead and drag and drop them into your timeline in much the same way. So I'm going to be dragging a few in just to demonstrate. So if you want to start shortening some videos, all you really have to do is mouse over the edge and hold left click, then drag it to the left or to the right. So you can shorten the video by trimming the start or trimming the end. If you'd like to do some more timeline manipulation, you can also use this tool called the trim edit mode. And what this does is it does as the name suggests, it edits the videos that are trimmed. And this is really useful if you have multiple videos stacked in your timeline like this. Go ahead and click on the trim edit mode. As you can see, I can change the order or the time codes at which these two clips get cut and are played after one another. So you can do the same thing for the other side, although it does require there be some spare footage, meaning one of the ends already has to be trimmed.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So this is really useful for fine-tuning transitions, for example. You can also use the blade edit mode, which is useful for removing sections of the video in the middle, like so. So you can click on the areas where you'd like to make a cut and then highlight the section in the middle that you want to delete, then hit delete on your keyboard to ripple delete. So as you can see, those are a few ways to shorten some videos in DaVinci Resolve. There are a few more advanced techniques that are useful if you video edit a lot and want to save on some time. But we can cover those in a future video. That's pretty much it for now. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.